Pwede mo oras dito. I-drink the prayer na tayo. Start na. Tumuko na po. Tumuko na class. Right now, let us start prayer. I'm ready. Thank you po.
Are you ready to pray, classmates?
Yes, we are.
Dear
Lord, Father of God, thank you for today. Thank you for raising Rachel from our gospel. For your protection we have with you. Help us to close our hearts and minds on what we are about to learn. Inspire us by your Holy Spirit as we listen and write. Guide us by your eternal light as we discover more about your purpose.
Lord, amen. So, good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Mike. Good morning, visitors. It's nice to see you, Ma'am Juan.
So, before taking down of your seats, kindly pick up a piece of paper on your chair. Meron po ba nakikita? Pakikulat po nila. First row, meron po po. Okay, kindly take down seat. Right now, we're going to checking the attendance first. When I call your name, say present. EI. Absent. Bonita. Kasaway. Kapindoy. Clemente. Latumado. De Los Santos. Edama. Flores. Fuentes. Gabuya. Jerusalem. La Demora. Malangkay. Nimo. Corazon. Samson. Tagalog. Tehulan. Toledo. Vargas. And Mina. Almost perfect class. So, before we begin our discussions, let's start first with class group rules. And call Mina. Pakinig po lahat. Okay, thank you so much, Mina. So all of these rules should be applied here in our class for you to be able to organize and at the same time maximize yung ating time. No? Next, we have here activity before we begin. It's called Picador. So I will read the instruction na Demora. Mamaya na po yung yung mga thread.
Picador, direction. Chosen color order. Chosen color order. Each door has corresponding different embroidery features. All you need to do is to identify the type of embroidery feature.
I need 4 representatives. Anyone? 4 representatives. Kahit sino po, 4 representatives. Any 4 representatives, kasaway, dito po. Other hands. Imo. So, go ahead po, tsaka Mina. So right now, sinong start? Si kasaway. So dito, mamimili ka po ng dito na. Choose any color of the door. So each door has corresponding different types of stitches. All you need to do is to identify what kind of embroidery stitches it is. So right now, anong color po ng door? Color blue. Nakikita mo ba? Ano kaya yung type ng embroidery stitches yan? It looks like cadena, chain stitch. Let's see kung tama. Very good. So, kaya sit down. Next. Anong color po na? Door. Color red. Pink. So sa tingin mo, what type of embroidery stitches ito? Also known as X. Cross stitch. Tama po ba? Very good. Can you sit down? Wait lang. Meron ka lang prize. Sa lahat ng mga nagpa-participate. Sino po yun? Ina, what's color of door? Color yellow. Ano kayang type? It is ACS. Running stitch. Let's see kung tama. Very good. Running stitch. And the last? And the last part, which is the most often outline. Kaya ito. Close stitch. Mali po. Other answer. Start with letter B. No. Full stitch. Next by A.
Lagay mo lang sa gas.
Ano kaya ang type ng embroidery? Commonly used as an outline. Sirat na. Sirat other hands. Toledo. Hindi po siya po yun. Start with letter B. And A. Ano kaya yun? B, A. Nakalimutan po kayo ng class. Back. Stitch. Tama. Correct stitch. Toledo. So, congratulations. So, right now, we are going to proceed to our review of lessons. So, I have here called treasure hunt. Can you read po, Toledo? What's inside? So I need 5 people naman po. Other hands, yung kanina hindi na po pwede. Sige, Toledo. Sino pa? Dito sa unahan. Para siya, mag-spirit slide. Other hands, mabalang. Tapos ka na mabalakay. Tatlo lang, itong 4 na to. Atong 5 na lang na to. Tayo na po, madali lang yan. Again, ang pinaka-ano nito is identify kung ano po yung tools and materials. Review lang po class. So, sino muna? Sino ang muna? Okay, Toledo, here's your question. Ano kaya yan? It is gauge. Check nga natin kung tama. Yes, tama. Gauge po ang answer. And sit down. Next part. Question. Here's your question. Used to keep copy while working in embroidery. Ano kaya tawag yan? Boundary book. Wala po tayo boundary book. Starting letter E. Ano tawag po dito? It is used to stretch fabric. Embroidery. Let's check. Embroidery. Book. Correct? And you sit down. The next one is for your question. Lawrence. Okay, basa po. A flexible ruler is to measure distance. What is this class? Tape. Tape measure. Check nga natin. Very good. Next part. Ito na lang. Ay, ito muna. Direct. Ano po kaya yan? Means. Alin po? Hindi po yan treasure. Other answer? In, malapit na. Wala, hintayin mo na class. Let's wait. In, discussion. Let's see. Very good. In discussion po ang answer. Next, the last questions, which is also paibasa rin yung legal questions. Paibasa po. Protected if from being made more pulled by the needle. Ano ba yung type ng tools and materials yun? It can be material, it can be metal or plastic. So ano po kaya yun? Pronunciation, tamang sagot. Pero it's timbals po, not temples. So, right here, since you finally reached the level 5, kindly read it kung ano yung message na to. So, loud and clear, Loud and clear, pakibasa po. Okay, timing ba class? Hindi. So I'll be reading it ulit. So congratulations, all of the students of Section Excellence will receive a reward for having a teamwork of collaboration. So later on, bago kayo lumabas, each of you will receive a rewards. So later po pag bago po lumabas. So right now, we have another key for our last activity. I need five persons. Mga hindi pa po. Sige, nasa likod. There is another key. Tapos, may pasok ko yan. And kumuha po kayo sa isa. Tap. Okay, according to our direction, inside the box, there are image and words indicated. So all you need to do is to arrange the words po based doon sa pictures. Pakibuksan po muna yung image. Hintayin niyo muna yung pictures. Pakita niyo po sa unahan. Ano kaya yan, class? Tama ba? Arrange na? Yes. Again, ano yan? Ano ulit ang ano natin?
Running speeches.
Running speeches. So, kindly sit down.
Yes.
Ano ba yung word na? Pakikuha niyo sa isa. So, today, we're going to discuss about the running speeches. So, ano po ba yung gusto nyo malaman pagdating sa running speeches? Anyone? Ano po yung gusto nyo matutunan pagdating sa running speeches?
Pati bang design?
Iba't ibang design, very good. Other hands? Pagtatahe, yes. It's focused on embroidery also. Other hands, last one. Ano ba yung gusto nyo matutunan?
Pagsukat.
Pagsusukat, yes, we have also measurement. Pakibigay
Iba ibang
mo.
klase ng pagkakaya.
Nasabi na po kanina, part pa rin siya. Other, last part. What? Pagtatahe again. So, let's begin na nga kung ano nga ba yung ating discussion. So, before we begin, I have here learning objectives. So, first, At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to first identify the tools and materials in creating running stitch, followed by perform running stitches by following correctly the procedure. And the last is value the importance of following the correctly the procedures to create running stitch evenly. So here is the words of the day. Kindly read. Yes, Marga. Pakibasa po kami na. Embroidery. It is known as art of decorating objects. So usually, makikita natin ito sa pag-decorate na ating books para as more on aesthetic and at the same time for the carving purpose. The next part, we have run stitch. Yes, kasaway. It is simple word of hand stitching. Hand stitching. So this type of stitches is one of the easiest outline ng ating embroidery stitches. So now let us begin with our introductions. Kindly read the Demora.
What is embroidery? Embroidery is the work of doing paper or other materials which can be made of like embroidery.
Thread or yarn. So usually, have you heard already embroidery class? Narinig niyo na ba siya? Diba, it is not only for decorating threads, no? You can also add accessories such as beads, yarn, para mas mapaganda pa po natin yung mga yung paggawa nating embroidery. And aside from that, during history, it was actually introduced by the Spanish time. So before, ang ginagamit po sa embroidery ay paggagawa ng design sa mga damit or items, or it can be used sa pag-design also ng mga hats or yung mga sombrero. Next part would be history. And someone read. Toledo. So did you know, class, a little bit trivia that during 90s, one of the most expensive thread or sinulid was actually made of pinya. So can you imagine that glass made of pineapple? So it is, aside from expensive, ito po yung usually ginagamit for creating barong Tagalog or yung mga sayan. Or yung also known as yung mga parang traditional culture closets ng ating bansa. So right now, we are going to discuss, since last time na-discuss na po natin ito, pahapiyaw lang po ito para dun sa ating gagamitin for our running stitches. So at the first part, can someone read? Other hands, Tagalog. Tape measurement. Saan po ito ginagamit, class? Sa body measurement or pagka nagsusukat tayo ng mga long distance. Next part. Nina. So nakakita na kayo ng ganito, class? So this is called embroidery book. So nakakatulong po ito para i-stretch or at the same time maging organize ng ating fabric. Kasi po kapag nag-stitch tayo, possible na malukot siya. So pag nalulukot, may mga expected stitches. So mas better kapag gagamit tayo, kapag mag-stitch tayo rather, gamit tayo ng embroidery book para siyang holder ng ating fabric. Next part. Next part would be the needle. Yes, po. That regular schooling needle. So we have different types of embroidery needle. So, naalala niyo po ba yung 3 types? Sino po nakakaalala? Kahit isa-isa lang. Kalimutan na. Di ba meron tayong embroidery needles? Ano yung tatlo na yun? H3, narinig ko na po. Very good. Tapos, embroidery needle. Tawag po dito embroidery needle, but we have to focus on types. Ruel, needle. And the last part, start with letter C. Ano kaya yun? Ha? Jelly. Wala pong Jenny. Jenny, wala pong Jenny. It's Chanel. Maganda sa pronunciation. Wala pong Jenny. Ano ba yun? Chanel, wala po it's Chanel. The next part, we have other hands. Yes po. So this is an example of embroidery thread. So it has different colors po. And at the same time, hindi po siya kagaya ng mga normal threads na sobrang nipis lang. Usually, yung strand nito is mas makapal siya ng 4 to 5 times compared sa normal po. Okay, next part would be the fabric. Other hands. Demo. And embroidery. Okay, class. Diba meron ulit 3 types ng fabric? Sino rin nakakaalala nun? Letter C, ang una po. Letter C ang una. Kaya yun, 3 types of fabric. Last week lang po class. Yes, Mina. Go ahead po. Even, weave, next part, kaya yun. Sa isa lang po. Vargas, ano si Vargas? Basket weave. And the last part, kaya yung pinaka-basic. It is common weave. Very good. Alright, now I'm going to demonstrate how to use and how to create running spinning ball. So, try to be an assistant. Wala na lang klasa na wala kasi. So here is the procedure. Again, class, kita ba? Verse 16 po muna natin ilagay yung ating fabric sa ating embroidery group. Okay, kita po. And then, we have here a embroidery thread. So, always remind your class na ganito lang po yung sizes. Baka mamaya may sobra-sobra na naman. Kagaya niyan, lupat niya na lahat. So, I have here needle threader. So, paano po ba siya ginagamit? Nakikita ba, class? Kita po. Ito lang po yung paggamit ng needle threader para mas mabilis natin mapasok yung kukunin. Kita, class? Okay. Okay, sabi dito, begin by running speeches by moving your thread to the middle of the topic. So, kita ko, and then the next part, hook the needle back down to the topic. Next to what just came up and pull up the threads down into the verse. So, we have here, dito po. Dapat may sukat ka sa, since even with naman yung gamit natin, mas madali natin mag-detect. Next part, now poke down your needle back to the fabric and leaving a space. So, dito po, pangatlo ulit. And then, same procedure, tatlo. May time class. Continue the process lang po until ma-achieve nyo yung pinaka ng stages natin. So, ano same procedure lang po class. It is called running stage po. Nakita niyo class?
Yes.
Kita na? Okay. So for your activity, okay, pakibasa, other hands, malakay, malakas buwa,
First letter of your name.
the first name of your name. Magagawa po kayo ng running speeches. Get the L, and then L. Ganito. Letter T. Pwede rin naman sir din class kung sa tingin yung mahirap yung speeches na yun. Okay, for our rubrics, kindly read. Ademora, yan lang po.
Speech uniform. Good then points. All the speeches are being expressed in class the same thing. Where 5 points. Most of the speeches are in has the same given space and has the same over 1 point. Speeches are not able to scale they are not
Okay, I will continue na lang po para mabilis. For creativity, I'll give 10 points if the students work schedule at science element, which is good. And for the fair points naman po, which is 5 points, student put much through and considering in the science school in curriculum 10. And the last part naman is yung 4 point if the student do into the design, do a pattern of 60%. So possible na hindi niya matapos. Yun po yung magiging points niyo. For speeches formation naman po, kapag yung speeches natin ay correctly formed, I'll give it 10 points. 5 points naman pag most of the speeches are formally correctly. And 1 point if yung speeches natin ay medyo magulo, hindi matay-matay. So for the threads, syempre, kailangan natin maging bar thread, kailangan po natin mapusisi kasi may mga umaangat po dyan. But if 10 points if wala pong loose threads or knots that are visible, and 5 points if you or may makikita ka ng mahal thread, and kapag sobrang dami naman, I'll give 1 point only. And for the time management, since you are going to do it within 5 minutes, so kapag on time po, 10 points, kapag na rin ng 1 to 2 minutes, I'll give 5 points, and kapag more than 2 minutes, I'll give 1 point. So right now, magbigay na po tayo ng inyong activity. Pakilabas na po yung mga threads. Para lang. Ilan po. Start ng class. I'll give you you 5 minutes. 5 minutes only. Meron hindi kong needle threader para mas mabilis kayo makapagod. Needle threader. Last 4 minutes. Again, class ang activity po ay create first letter of your name.
Ginawa na nila. Oh, wala ito.
Hiraman na lang kayo, class. Class, ini may trainer po akong binigay para hindi binibilaan. Ganyan po nila yung ano matapos sila mag-thread. Meron po akong thread. Ikan thread. Last 2 minutes. Di pa kayo makakapagsimula. Hindi kayo po akong needle threader, di ba? Para mas mabilis. First letter of your name. N. Ala, di ba nasisimula yung iba? Yung wala. Nag-give additional time po Hindi lang po siya ikanalin, class. Makinig ka lang yung tulog-tulog lang po yan. Hindi siya ikanalin.
Tago mo nga ito. Tapos ibigay mo sa akin bago mo sa akin. Baka makita. Hindi ba namin special table? Mamaya pa ako sa bago.
Last 2 minutes. Ano na ba? May nakita niya akong daan.
Galingan nyo, ha? Bilis na ka nila.
Okay na lang.
Patayin niyo yung mga galit yung pagmasira.
Last 1 minute. Kami na natapos. Ganyan na. Kayo ba pag-rating sa mga klase lang?
Si Kasawa. Tapos
Kasi naman masyal natin. Ano na magpalimusal ng mga?
Last 55 seconds. Bilis. Marami na ako lang dito tapos.
Nag-Sharon na ako.
kaya kayo siya. Nalagay ko lang. I-rate ko lang yung post niya.
Marka.
Kulang na lang. Ang letter D ang mabilis, oh.
Kuya, kaya kami sa simulan. Bakit kung simulan sa inyo?
Letter D. Marunong tayo ng tahi. Alam niyo ang tahi.
Okay, time's up na last. Sino yung matapos? Sino yung tapos last? Advance, tayo na po yung mga natapos. Dalawa lang. Dalawa lang. Ay, dalawa na lang. Okay. Una po, una. Pero matapos na. Magbalik kayo. Kayo mismo mag-grade sa klase ninyo. Start tayo kay Dalimora. Ano yung mabibigay mo sa kanyang score? Ikaw mismo dito. Tumingin ka sa rubrics natin. Ikaw ang mag-base dyan. Opo. Start tayo sa speeches uniformly. Ano kaya grade niya? Tumingin siya kung ano sa gawa niya. Tama ba? All the speeches are evenly. Let me check. Okay. Next, creativity. Ano bibigay mo sa kanyang score? 10-10. With the 20 na. And speech formation. 10. Okay. Next, isip mo sa trend. Check mo nga. Kaya nakikita ako Again, 5. So, 35 na. And the last part ay management. Tapos ba siya? Yes. 10. So, ang equivalent niya ay 45. Next part. Sa gawa naman nila Demora. Okay, grade na siya. And creativity. And next part. Participation 5. Okay. Sa threads. 10. And sa time management. 10. So both of you got the 45 scores. So ang equivalent po niyan is 94. So, 94 po yan. And sit down na po. So, for our last part, which is last tigil na. Tigil na po. Tigil na. Tigil na. Una. For our generalization, sino po yung sunod? Ina. Generalization. Ayun na. Dali na, meron lang. Meron dyan, nakikinig. Tingnan mo lang. It is easy to do. Other hands, very good. Dali mo ka.
And I have realized that
Yeah, ano yung na-realize mo po sa paggawa? It's not easy. Pero sabi niya easy. And I have realized, meron pang sa iba, dali mo ka. Ano yung na-realize mo po? Na? Easy. Hindi niya madali sa'yo, hindi. So why? Inspiration by creativity. So very good class. So ayan, for your assignment, I'll be sending it to your PC by later po. So that's it for our presentation. Thank you, class.